7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, in this video we're talking about Qtum. Qtum is currently trading for $4, currently ranked number 97 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as low as $3 and as high as $19. Guys, the previous all-time high for Qtum, which is set in 2018 January, it got as high as $100. In this video, we're talking about Qtum's road back to $100. We're looking at the Qtum US dollar price chart, looking at Qtum market cap chart. Then we'll look at Qtum against Bitcoin and Qtum against Ethereum. We're looking at other metrics to show us, is it all season? Should we be accumulating more Qtum right now? Is the dump over? Are we in a bear market? If we're in a bear market, is it advisable to hold Qtum through a bear market? What has Qtum done in previous bear markets? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, one Qtum is going for $4. In the last 1 year, Qtum is down 70%. In the last 1 month, it's down 35%. In the last 1 week, it's down 1%. But you can see the general crypto market is down in the last month. A lot of coins are down 40, 50, 60%. In the last 1 month, the whole lunar situation actually took the whole market with it. Qtum is currently ranked number 97 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $428 million. It has a circulating supply of 104 million coins. That's 97% of all the coins in circulation. The fully diluted market cap is $443 million. For those of you watching the video, I don't know what Qtum is. Qtum is a proof of stake smart contract open source blockchain platforms and value transfer protocol. It aims to bring together the strength of Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain. Qtum is built on Bitcoin UTXO transaction model with the added functionality of smart contract execution and DApps. Guys, let's head to the Qtum US dollar price chart. In 2017-2018, Qtum did the most crazy thing ever. It went on a wonderful, gigantic bull run. In 196 days, Qtum went up over 3,100%. Guys, that's the story with all of these altcoins. 2017 was the time of everything go up. We don't care what it is, as far as it's called crypto or it has crypto in the name. But what happened to the bear market? The bear market exposed all of these projects, and you can see Qtum actually lost 98% in the bear market. So when Bitcoin was going from 20,000 down to 3,000, Qtum went from $100 down to $1.4. Guys, that's really crazy. You don't want to be holding Qtum in the bear market. A lot of people thought that was the bottom of Qtum. I'm sure a lot of people loaded up on Qtum at $1.44. But guess what, guys? After that, Qtum had a nice pump. It had pumped over 263%. It took 210 days. That's approximately 1% a day. Got people very bullish, and Bitcoin got to 12,000 from 3,000 here. So Bitcoin actually even outperformed Qtum in that period in time. What did Qtum do after that? It dumped very, very hard after that. It lost another 85% of its value. So generally, Qtum went from $100 plus to as low as $0.84. That's very, very crazy. Qtum lost over 99.16% during the bear market. When the bull run came back from 2020 entering 2021, Qtum tried. It pumped over 3,800%, but that was a far cry from the previous all-time high of over $100. Qtum got to as high as $34. A lot of people got bullish here because since the previous all-time high was $100, Qtum was at $34. We still expected a 3x before we could break the previous all-time high. And that was the top of the market. Qtum didn't get higher than that. May 3rd, 2021, the market topped. Bitcoin got to 58K after getting 64K and dumped. Elon Musk went to Saturday Night Live. Yada, yada, yada. The whole crypto market was in trenches. Now, we had the summer time where crypto was down. Qtum fell 87% during that period in time. Bitcoin came down to 28K, went back to set a new all-time high. Qtum couldn't go back to break the high it set in May 2021. Qtum only got as high as $17. The high it set in 2021 was around $34. So we still needed a 100% return to get to the previous all-time high. After $17, what happened to Qtum? Qtum turned on itself. Right now, Qtum is still down 78-80% from that $17 and from the top in May 2021. If you assume the bear market for Qtum started in May 2021, guys, Qtum is down 88%. How high can Qtum go in the next bull run? It looks as if Qtum has stopped right here at $34. Can it get to $100, guys, using the Fibonacci extension tool on the Qtum price chart? That's if you go to the top of the previous bull run for Q2 to the bottom of the bear market is telling us that, guys, Qtum can get to as high as 300, 400, maybe as high as $430, but only time will tell if we're going to ever see those prices of Qtum. Right now, we need to clear that $100 region, route to $100. Use the Fibonacci extension tool. It still has a long time to actually get there. But if we're using the last rally that we just had, that got us to $34, and we're assuming that we're at the bottom right here at $4, can we still get to $100? Guys, it looks as if we can still get to $100. As a matter of fact, if we do that full extension, we'll just get around $138. So there's still hope for Qtum holders. For us to get to $100 right now from where we are right now, guys, Qtum will need to pump over 2,600%. And we have seen that Qtum can actually do that. A lot of these altcoins can actually go crazy when altcoin season comes. Right now, we're not in altcoin season. It's all dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been stuck in a range for a while. So when Bitcoin breaks down or breaks up, it will decide for the altcoin market. The market is in extreme fear. Guys, history has showed that when the market is in extreme fear, that's when you want to be buying. But the funny thing is that we've been in extreme fear for over 6 months to 1 year right now. And should you be buying? If you've been buying in that period of time, maybe by now you'd have bought and you would have tired of buying. People say they are buying the dip, but the dip keep dipping. If we're in the bear market, that means we've been in the bear market for almost a year right now. A lot of people argue that Bitcoin topped around February 2021. Some people say it topped in November. But the consensus right now is that we're in a bear market, and we're going to see what Bitcoin did in the previous bear market. And you can see that Bitcoin lost 85% of its value right here. It lost over 83% of its value right here. And guys, I showed you guys how Qtum in the previous bear market lost over 99% of its value. And we've seen a lot of coins go to zero. Literally, Qtum came as close as going to zero as possible, from over $100 to as low as $0.8. And if we're in the Bitcoin bear market, guys, we will need to chill for Qtum. It looks as if we might get a cheaper price of Qtum. And worst case scenario for Qtum can come to as low as $2. I can actually see Qtum losing another 50% of its value from where we are right now. That will not be out of the realms of possibility for Qtum. And if it loses 50% of its value from the top at $34 that we set in May 2021 to around that $2 region, would have been down 94%. And that's just the normal drawback for altcoins during the bear market. Right now, looks like Bitcoin has not found its bottom. A lot of people are just obsessed about finding the bottom of Bitcoin. Bitcoin may probably go to its all-time high. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have not found their bottom. See, Ethereum right now is currently trading at just above $2,000. Ethereum in the last bull run actually lost over 94% of its value. That's really crazy if you think about that. Ethereum was the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and it lost over 94% of its value. Right now, Ethereum is just down 64% from the all-time high. Bitcoin is down how many percent from the all-time high? Bitcoin is down around 61% from the all-time high, which is a very good sign to see in the market. Qtum from the high it set in May 2021 is down how many percent? It's down 90%. And that's, guys, that's just a very, very clear sign for you to see that when the market goes down, Qtum is among those coins that goes very, very hard. It dumps very hard. But when the market pumps, it pumps very hard. The all-time high for Qtum's market cap valuation is that Qtum got to as high as $7.6 billion. This was the top of the market in January 2018. Since then, it lost a lot of market share. Its valuation dropped to as low as $827,000. That was the lowest Qtum got to in the depth of the bear market. And when it pumped in May 2021, it got to as high as $3.3 billion. We just needed a 100% pump to get us to that all-time high, but we didn't get that pump, and we got stuck at $3.3 billion. Right now, it's at $425 million. For us to go back to where we were in May, guys, we have to pump another 680%. Is it possible? It's very possible. We did that before. We did that from August 2020 or around February 2020 to May 2020. We pumped over 700% in just 84 days. So Qtum can actually do that. And the market cap chart is telling us that if you use the Fibonacci extension tool for Qtum to the top of the previous bull run for Qtum to the bottom of the bear market, guys, telling us that Qtum valuation can probably go as high as 31 billion. Will it happen? I don't think it will happen anytime soon. The crypto market right now is in a downtrend. But for future valuations, can Qtum actually ever get to 37 billion? Yes, it can, guys. In a world where Bitcoin is going for 100K or 100K plus, I can actually see Qtum going to $37 billion market cap and the price of Qtum going to around $200, maybe $300. Only time will tell right now. Qtum against Bitcoin is almost at its all-time lowest. Qtum against Bitcoin is almost at its all-time lowest. The only time in history where you could get more Qtums with your Bitcoin was around the top of the market right here. This was when Bitcoin was going to 50, 60,000 and Qtum was still in the trenches. But you can see that after this period in time, guess what happened? Qtum actually pumped, and against Bitcoin, it actually gained over 470% against Bitcoin in just less than 2 months. Since then, at the all-time high for Qtum in 2018, it has lost over 98% of its value against Bitcoin. So Qtum was not actually a good hold during the bear market. During the bear market, guys, you want to be holding only Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the coins that actually looks like they actually perform well during the bear market. And I just showed you guys, Bitcoin actually lost 87% of its value in the bear market. Ethereum lost 94% of its value in the bear market. And if two of them are the best performing coins in the bear market, it's to tell you that the bear market is actually very brutal on these altcoins. And if you look at the Qtum Ethereum chart, it's showing us the same story. Qtum topped against Ethereum in January 1st, 2021. Since then, it has lost over 98% of its value also. And this is the lowest Qtum has ever been against Ethereum in its price history. Right now, holding Qtum through the bear market has been a terrible decision. You would have performed well if you're holding Ethereum. The last time Qtum kind of outperformed Ethereum in a period of time was when Qtum was pumping. They outperformed Ethereum by almost 300% in just 84 days. This was in 2021 when the whole market was going crazy. Since then, Qtum has been a downtrend against Ethereum. The altcoin season index is showing us that we're in Bitcoin season. And guys, the last thing you want to do is holding altcoins when we're in Bitcoin season, because Bitcoin tends to perform better in Bitcoin season than altcoins. When we go to altcoin season, that's when you want to be fully in altcoins. That's when altcoins actually perform better. The market is in extreme fear right now. You want to be taking everything step by step. You don't want to just go all in on these altcoins, Qtum included. Guys, if you're watching this video and wondering where can you get some Qtum, you can get it on your favorite exchange. You can get it on Binance, Bybit, Kraken, Hugo Global, Gate.io, and any other place to get your favorite altcoin. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Qtum can actually go back to $100 and set a new all-time high? Do you think Qtum will never see $100? And the Bitcoin dominance is telling us that right now, Bitcoin is where people are running to. Once the Bitcoin dominance actually fall, once the Bitcoin dominance break this 39% support, if you can break it and set a new low on the Bitcoin dominance, that will be good for the altcoin market, Qtum included. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.